Hello friends, today we are going to discuss this organic synthesis problem, and it is four step reaction. And here it is the starting material is added, and in the first condition only heat is given. So normally here 4 pi plus 2 pi, because this system containing four 4 carbon and there is 2 carbon, and so cyclization step occur here, and the reaction goes through 4 pi plus 2 pi cycloaddition reaction. And after that, the if you see the migration of this carbon attack on this, and this new double bond here will be formed, and this double bond will shift here. Okay, so by this strategy, this new double bond has been formed in this reaction medium, and this is the other group, same as it is as here, has has been attached in this site. Okay, and so it is the first step completed here. In the second step, if you see, base is excess quantity is added. So in this starting, so after first step reaction, this will be the starting material. And if you see, there is two sides to react for base. So one is silicon and other is CO. Okay, so if you say base here is NaOH. Okay, so OH will be attack here silicon, and this Si and oxygen single bond will be shift on this CO bond. Okay, so this new CO bond will be formed here, and this double bond, this this will this double bond will be reduced here. Okay, so it is the one side reaction of base, okay, on silicon atom. So the second side is here. If you see, this is the base, so it will act on the CO group. Okay, so if you see, this OS group will be attacked on this, and this negative charge will be shift here, and again it will be reverse, and this CO bond will be shifted here, and here. After that, what happened, this Cn will be act like as a leaving group. Okay, so Cn will be removed in the reaction medium. So it is overall reaction, and here it also forms CO, new CO carbonyl bond here. So this new CO group is here. So after two step reaction, this will be the new starting material. And again, what happened here, if you it is the bicyclic. Actually, if you draw this structure in bicyclic system, it will be mentioned like that. Okay, so after that, what happened, the third step will be occur. In this pH, phenyl magnesium bromide is added. So it is actually one equivalent, means only one side phenyl magnesium bromide will be react. So it is the one side, you can prefer either this or this one. Okay, so in this reaction, what happened in this side, phenyl, if you break down the phenyl magnesium bromide, it will it will fragment into pH minus and MgBr plus. Okay, pH minus plus MgBr plus. Okay, so if you see, this phenyl will be act on this CO C double bond O, and this double bond will break down here, and negative charge will further attack on the magnesium bromide. Okay, so this is the mechanism of phenyl magnesium bromide. So after that, what happened here, this moiety will be formed here. Okay, so after that, what happened, H2SO4 is added here. So acetic medium is added here, is given here to break down the OMgBr. Okay, so when acetic medium is given here, this hydrogen will be shift here, and oxygen magnesium bromide will be act as a leaving group here. So after that, what happen here, this actually not this, it will form this is the pH and this is the CO. So it is your final product here. So you can also mention this product like that. Because here is this is the bicyclic system and 2 carbon is here, so you can mention like that. Okay, so this is the pH and this is the CO. So it is your final product here. So after 4 step completion in the reaction medium, this it is your means this product will be formed in the reaction medium. Okay, so it is overall mechanism of this reaction. So if you want to ask any queries regarding this mechanism, you can dial this number. ठीक है, we will help you to understand. If any problems you cannot understand, then we will easily understand to you. Okay, thank you.